Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of Grammar with me. Today we are ending with our F50 words of advanced level. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Farrago, avyavasthit mishran. The novel is a farrago of different genres, blending romance, adventure, and mystery. Ferment, tuksana. The politician was accused of fomenting unrest among the workers. Fugitive, bhagoda. The fugitive managed to escape the authorities for several years. Frivolity, halkapan. His frivolity at the meeting caused frustration amongst his colleagues. Flabbergast, हैरान करना. The news of a promotion flabbergasted everyone in the office. Frenetic, uttejit, the frenetic pace of the city life was too much for him to handle. Fecund, upjau. The fecund soil in this region supports a wide variety of crops. Facile, saral. He made the task look facile, though it was quite complex. Fissure, the small fissure in the wall allowed water to seep inside. Fermentation, uttejana. The government cracked down on the fermentation of unrest. Fulgent, chamakdar. The fulgent sun set over the horizon. Fatuous, murk. His fatuous remarks made everyone uncomfortable. Flabelliform, pankhe jaisa. The flabelliform leaves swayed in the breeze. Fusillade, goliyon ke bauchar. The fusillade of gunfire erupted during the attack. Feculent, ganda. The feculent water made the river undrinkable. Feckless, bekar. His feckless attitude towards his studies led to poor grades. Frangibility, tutne ki pravritti. The frangibility of the glass made it a poor choice for the construction. Fulguration, bijli ka kadkna. The fulguration of the storm lit up the entire sky. Fastidious, vistar se dhyan dene wala. She was fastidious in her work, ensuring every detail was perfect. Fustian, nirarthak ya atishayuktipurna bhasha. The politician's speech was full of fustian and lacked substance. Floriferous, pushpit. The floriferous garden attracted many visitors. Fluency, pravah. Fluency in English impressed everyone. Forensics, nyayik, vigyan. Forensics team was able to identify the suspect using DNA evidence. Furor, hangama. The announcement of the new policy caused a furor among the employees. Farnsworth, Philo Farnsworth invention changed the way we see the world. He invented the television. Flocculent, Rui Jaisa. The flocculent clouds in the sky looked like cotton candy. Farraginous, Mishrit. The book was a farraginous collection of essays on various topics. Fecundity, Prajanan Chamta. The fecundity of the soil allowed for a bountiful harvest. Falsifiable, Galat Siddh Kiya Ja Sakne Wala. A good scientific hypothesis must be falsifiable. Fetid, Badbudar. The fetid water in the swamp was unbearable. Flagellate, Kode Marna. The monk flagellated himself as a form of penance. Filibuster, Vilam. The senator used the filibuster to delay the vote on the bill. Frequenter, Niyamit Agantuk. She's a frequenter of the local coffee office. Florid, Rangeen. The florid decoration of the hall made the event look grand. Fumigate, धुएं से उपचार करना. The house was fumigated to get rid of the pests. Frangible, टूटने योग्य. The frangible glass vase shattered when it fell from the table. Flagitious, घृणित. The flagitious actions of the dictator were condemned worldwide. Fetishistic, puja sambandhit. His fetishistic attachment to the ancient artifact was unsettling. Formidability, Dharavani takat. The formidability of the opponent made the match intense. Feckless, bekar. His feckless attitude towards his studies led to poor grades. Fluoridation, fluoridant. Fluoridation of the water supply has helped reduce dental cavities in the community. But also fluoride add karna. Functionality, Karyak Chamta. The functionality of the new software impressed the team. Fermentation, Uttejana. The leader's speech was seen as a fermentation of unrest among the workers. Ferromagnetic, Loha Chumbakiya. Iron is ferromagnetic, meaning it is strongly attracted to magnets. Faustian, Atmagati. His Faustian bargain for wealth led to his ultimate downfall. Frivolousness, Hasyaprata. The frivolousness of his remarks made it difficult for people to take him seriously. Fulgurite, बिजली के प्रवाह से बने कांच का प्रकार. The scientists discovered a fulgurite formation after the lightning storm. Fructify, फलित करना. The hard work of the team will fructify in the coming months. Fortuitous, akasmic. It was a fortuitous meeting that led to the discovery of a new opportunity. Forswear, pratigya karna. He forswore all bad habits after the advice from his mentor. That's that for today. I'll see you in the next one.